Are you wondering what the buyer activity is in the current Orange County real estate market? Keep watching as we explore the new positive data coming out for today's market. Hi, we're Doug and Rachel Swardstrom of the Swardstrom Group and Coldwell Banker Realty. And today we're looking at the current state of the housing market. We also have a full report on the market trends and data for March 2023 available to you in the description, so just hit the link below. So despite a cooling in activity, buyers are still showing their interest in purchasing a home, and there's plenty of positive news to share. We'll take a look at the latest figures from the Showing Time Showing Index, explore the role of mortgage rates, and provide some helpful insight for buyers and sellers alike. So whether you're in the market for a new home or simply curious about the current state of affairs, this video is for you. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe below. So let's dive in.
So while the housing market is no longer experiencing the frenzy of a year ago, buyers are showing their interest in purchasing a home. So according to U.S. News, housing markets have cooled slightly, but demand hasn't disappeared, and in many places remain strong largely due to the shortage of homes on the market. The activity can be seen in the latest Showing Time Showing Index, which is a measure of buyers actively touring available homes, which you can see on this graph. The positive news of a 62% jump in showings from December to January is encouraging, especially given the fact that it was one of the largest increases on record. It indicates that despite a cooling off of the housing market, there are still plenty of buyers out there looking to purchase a home. The fact that there were more showings in January than any other month since last May speaks to substantial buyer interest throughout the year. We've seen firsthand an uptick in attendance to our open houses and even receiving multiple offers. So as you can see in the graph, it's normal for showings to increase early in the year, but the jump this January was larger than usual, and a lot of that has to do with mortgage rates. Michael Lane, VP of Sales and Industry at Showing Times, explains. It's typical to see a seasonal increase in home showings in January as buyers get ready for the spring market, but a larger increase than any January before after last year's rapid cool down is significant. Mortgage rate activity this spring will play a big role in sales activity, but January's home showings are a positive sign that buyers are getting back out there. Mortgage rates played an important role in this trend, with rates hovering in the low 6% range during January and helping to spur increased interest in buyer activity.
This suggests that when mortgage rates remain favorable, buyers are more likely to pursue a purchase. This can be especially beneficial for those who are currently looking to sell their homes, as they may have an easier time finding motivated buyers who are ready to make an offer at a good price. Overall, these trends demonstrate that while the housing market may not be experiencing the same frenzy as during the previous months and last year, there is still considerable buyer interest present in many areas. Those considering selling their homes should take advantage of any opportunities created by favorable mortgage rates and look into listing their properties very soon. Bottom line, a surge in the number of property viewings during the first quarter of this year is a positive indicator of potential buyers actively seeking to purchase a home. If you're considering selling your house, it's wise to discuss your options soon with a professional to ensure that you are fully prepared when the timing is optimal for you. Let's schedule a consultation so that you can be well informed and ready to make the most of this opportunity before everybody else does.
So thanks for watching. Remember, if you're looking to buy or sell a home, we hope this video has given you some helpful insights into the current housing market and how it will benefit you. We invite you to contact us today to help you get a better understanding of how and when to buy or sell your dream home with the proper conditions. So contact us today and hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos.